Thanks for joining Cooking with Denise today. We are making a sheet pan dinner with brats, potatoes, cabbage, and other veggies. This is going to be quick and easy, so let's get started. So I've started today by preheating my oven to 400 degrees. Let's go over our ingredients. We have chopped onions, chopped cabbage, fourth a head, about 1 medium onion, 2 potatoes chopped about 1 1/4 inch cubes, 3/4 a cup of cut green peppers, 3 cloves of garlic chopped, about a tablespoon of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/4 a cup of apple cider vinegar, 3 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and salt and pepper to taste. And I am going to toast my buns by spreading a little butter on it and toasting those in the oven. Okay, first of all, we're going to take our olive oil, about 3 tablespoons, put it in the bowl. Fourth a cup. That was probably more like a half, but we'll make it work. 3 tablespoons of mustard. And a tablespoon of brown sugar. Okay, I'm going to whisk that together. There we go. Now, let's put our cabbage in. Onions. Garlic. Green pepper. And our 2 potatoes chopped about 1 1/4 cubes. And let's kind of toss these around into that oil and vinegar. Get them coated. I wish I had used a bigger bowl. You're going to want to have that bowl big enough so you can toss them, and you see what's happening to me because my bowl's too small. Okay. Now I have a deep-sided baking pan. Mine's actually a broiler pan, which will work just nicely. I'm going to put a little oil on the area where I'm going to be placing my brats. I want my brats to stick. So let's spread that out a little. Okay, here are my uncooked brats. I've cooked 4 of them today. Okay, now let's take our mixture and put it out on the baking sheet. And go on and pour all that juice out on it. Let's move these brats up here a little and let this come on around the side so it'll spread out. We want our brats to not be touching, so I'm going to put a few of these veggies in there. Keep them from touching each other. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we're going to cook this for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. And then we're going to turn it and cook for another 10 minutes or until the brats are 165 degrees with internal temperature. Okay. Now while I wait for my brats and veggies to cook, I'm going to toast my buns. I just spread a little butter on my buns, like so. The toasted bun always makes the brats taste so much better. Okay, and then I'm just going to put them in my iron skillet. You can use any kind of skillet. And turn the heat on medium. And watch it closely until it's browned. It has now been 20 minutes. And I've taken our veggies and brats out so we can turn them over. Starting to cook nicely. Okay, let's turn those brats. I'm going to pierce these brats with the fork. Let some of those good juices run through our food. Go. So they're not touching. And now let's salt and pepper our veggies. Do it to taste. Probably about a half teaspoon of salt, about a fourth a teaspoon of pepper, but however much it is that you prefer. Okay, let's put these back into the oven, and then after 10 minutes we will check the internal temperature of our brats. We're looking for 165 degrees. It has been 10 minutes, so let's check the temperature on our brats. Let's stick it about halfway through. 171. We are ready. Okay, turn our oven off. And let's serve this up. Okay, let's give this a try. I have one of my brats on a bun, and the other I'm having just loose on my plate. But let's try these potatoes. And cabbage. Very tasty. So, if you found this video helpful and enjoyable, please watch more of my videos and cookingwithdenise.com. Please subscribe. Thanks again. Bye now.